everyone, welcome back to our channel Nursery to Varsity. In the previous tutorial, we have completed the decision control instruction and the case control instruction, and now in this tutorial we are going to learn about loop control instructions. So far we have used either a sequential instructions which carried out in a fixed order or the decision control instructions which will execute depending upon the condition being tested. Now, what the loop control instructions do? They are used to repeat some portion of the program either a specified number of times or until a particular condition is being satisfied. So there are three methods for repeating a part of the program: using while statement, using do while statement, and the third using for statement. And in this tutorial we will learn our first method, the while loop. Basically, the while loop is used to repeat something for a fixed number of times. For example, if we have to print a counting from 1 to 10 say, then we have to write each number in the printf statement. And if I say that we have to print the counting from 1 to 1000, then are we supposed to write for every number? The answer is no. We will use the while loop. The operation of while loop is shown in the flowchart. First, we will start our program. Then, we will initialize our counter. And this counter variable is called a loop counter. Okay? And this loop counter will increment at every time it will enter the loop. This is the test condition to enter into the loop. It will check the condition. If the condition found to be true, then it will enter into the loop. Else, if the condition found to be false, then it will stop. After entering into the loop, it will execute the statement which are in the loop, that is the body of the loop, and after executing the body of the loop, it will increment our counter variable. And then again it will check back to our condition that the condition is true or not. And in this way the while loop works. So let's understand the while loop in more detail with a simple example of printing numbers from 1 to 1000. So the question is, write a program to print the numbers from 1 to 1000. So instead of writing each number in the printf function, we are going to apply the while loop in our program. So let's see how it works. Hash include stdio.h int main. Let's declare a variable, say I. Now our first step is to initialize the counter variable, and because we need to print from 1, so we will initialize our variable with 1. And then we are going to use our while loop. In this bracket, we are going to apply the condition. And what should be the condition? That the I should be less than equal to 1000, because we need to print the numbers from 1 to 1000. And then after writing the condition, we will write the body of the loop. And what we need to print again and again is the number, which is nothing else %t \n and I. This is we need to print, and that we have discussed that after writing the body of the loop, we will increment our counter variable each time. I equal to I plus 1. Next time the value of I becomes 2, and after that it will again go to our condition and check if 2 is less than equal to 1000, and if it found to be true, then it will enter, and that is how our loop will work. And this is the end of the loop, and then return 0. So let's run and build it. We already know what should be our output. So let's see. And you can see we have printed 1 to 1000 number without writing each number in the print statement, using the simple 3 lines of code in the while loop. Just these 3 lines of code, and we have printed number from 1 to 1000. And this is all for today's tutorial. There are some tips and traps of while loop which a programmer must know, and have to be careful with those traps. So in the next tutorial we will learn some tips and traps. Until then, keep practicing. Hope you have understand the concept of while loop. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have found any queries, you can either comment in the comment box or mail us at nerdtoware@gmail.com. Do follow our channel Nursery to Varsity on all our social media handles. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.